Hi listeners, welcome back to Insuright's knowledge series. On the topic of motor insurance, so far we have discussed about what the coverages. The coverages when we talked about own damage insurance cover, third party insurance cover and personal accident insurance cover under motor policy. Now the question will come to what value you are going to insure. Now, vehicle has a value, okay? Now, how do you calculate the premium? On what basis you are going to calculate the premium? The fundamental aspect in calculation of premium is what we call it as a sum insured. Premium is always calculated on the sum insured. Sum insured means sum for which insurance has been taken. Now, in motor insurance, we have a term called IDV, which you all should be aware of. IDV means Insured Declared Value. That is the sum insured. And what it represents? It represents the maximum limit for which insurance company will pay compensation in case the vehicle is damaged or lost. So this term IDV pertains to own damage insurance only. How do we arrive at this IDV? The calculation of IDV is simple. Take the manufacturer's list price of the same make and model for the car which you are going to insure. Depending on the age of the car, apply depreciation. The depreciation chart is given in the policy itself. Suppose the vehicle is 2 years old, apply that relevant depreciation on the manufacturer list price of that make and model. So once depreciate that value, we get that IDV. That IDV is used for further calculation of the premium. Now, one thing we should understand, once this IDV is fixed, this remains constant right through the policy period. Okay, it cannot be changed. What is the significance of this IDV? Let us look at it this way. In a case of an accident, two possible outcomes. One is vehicle is totally lost or the vehicle is partially damaged. If the vehicle is totally lost, there's no meaning in repairing because the cost of repairs is much more than the actual value of the vehicle. So it is treated as a total loss. Insurance company will pay the IDV. So that is the maximum limit of compensation. If it is partially damaged, then the IDV is, say, let us say 10 lakhs and the cost of repair is 2 lakhs. Insurance company will pay the cost of repair subject to other terms and conditions. And what about the IDV? Will it get reduced or will it remain constant? In motor insurance policy, once IDV is fixed, it remains constant right through the policy period. So technically speaking, under the contract, multiple claims can be made and the cost of those claims can be more than the IDV. Let us look at this scenario. There is an accident. The value of IDV is 10 lakhs. And in that accident, the cost of damages is 5 lakhs and insurance company is, say, for after deduction, insurance company is paying 4,50,000. IDV doesn't change, it remains at 10 lakhs. After a few months, the entire vehicle is lost. Insurance company will pay the sum insured 10 lakhs. So totally, if you look at it, insurance company has paid for how much? 10 lakhs plus 4.5 lakhs, 14.5 lakhs they have paid on an IDV of 10 lakhs. This is the significance of IDV, okay? So IDV means Insured Declared Value. It is based on the manufacturer's list price. On that, we apply the depreciation provided in the policy and arrive at the IDV. Okay. Next question. What about IDV for third-party insurance? IDV is not related to third-party insurance at all. It is only related to own damage insurance. For third-party, the compensation payable depends on the court award. Okay. Now, when the court awards, insurance company feels that it is a right award. I mean, it's a justifiable award and they pay the award amount. If the insurance company feels that the award amount quantum of award is very high, they will go for appeal. So, IDV is not related to third-party insurance. In case of personal accident cover under motor policy, we already discussed that the maximum limit is given as a 15 lakhs. It is also not connected to the IDV. It is just it's whether it's a two-wheeler or a private car. There the personal accident cover is fixed. Maximum amount is fixed. That is 15 lakhs. So you have learned. I mean, as we have discussed it, that IDV Insured declared value is a very important aspect to be understood. It is connected to the manufacturer's list price, and after that it is subject to depreciation. And it's once IDV is arrived at and the policy is issued, it remains fixed. IDV is related to only own damage insurance. It is not connected to third party insurance or personal accident insurance. Thank you for sparing your valuable time to listen to Insuright's series of talks on insurance. This is an attempt to create awareness among general public about insurance products, processes and services. In case you have any specific concerns about the coverage provided under your policy issued to you or about any claim situations, we request you to kindly review the policy terms and conditions provided to you. And further, if you have any specific, your issues are not resolved by your own interpretation of the policy terms and conditions and documents provided to you, we suggest that you approach an insurance professional and consult them for clarifying your position with regard to the policy or claim. Please like, share and subscribe to Insuright's YouTube channel. Thank you very much.